everyone, welcome back to my channel Ritstar. I hope you guys are doing well. So many festivals are coming up, so I thought I would do a festive look for this video. So to start off, I'm using this skin potion oil from Nykaa. My skin was looking extremely dry and dull, so that's why I am using this oil for extreme moisturization. And you can see after I have used it, my skin is going to look way better. And I'm also going to use a tint. This is a luminizing tint, so this will also give me a glowy look, and you can already see that my skin looks way better right now. Next, for primer, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Blur Primer. This helps in hiding pores a little bit. I'm using this on my cheeks and forehead, the areas where I have a lot of pores. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is really affordable and gives full coverage, and also it doesn't look cakey at all. It gives a very smooth base. So I love it for beginners, and this is like a staple in my vanity. Next, I'm going to blend this in with my PAC sponge, and you can use a brush. I like using my sponge better. Next, I'm going to be using concealers from Swiss Beauty. These are in the shades 02 and 03. I'm going to be using the darker shade to conceal and the lighter shade to highlight. These are my recent favorites. They are really inexpensive, really affordable, and also it gives, proper coverage and looks very smooth, doesn't look cakey at all. So if you're a beginner, again, this would be my recommendation to you. You can definitely try out this product. So I generally like to conceal under my eyes, around my mouth, and then if I have some spots and blemishes, I like to cover them as well. I am blending the product out with my PAC Beauty blender again. You can definitely use a brush, but I prefer using a blender. Next, I'm taking the lighter shade and highlighting. I like to draw triangles under my eyes. I know there are other ways to do it, but this is what I like and this suits me. You can do it your way. And I'm just spreading the product out, and I'm going to blend it in again. As I said, this is a very smooth concealer. You can see how, how much it covers and how smooth it looks. And I will definitely recommend this product to anybody who's looking to buy a concealer. Next, to set my face, I'm using this loose powder from Swiss Beauty. Now this one is a little too drying for me, but since I'm trying to keep all the products affordable in this video, I used it. For eyebrows, I'm again taking this pencil from Swiss Beauty. This is another recent favorite of mine. It's really affordable. It's smooth, easy to spread, and the color matches my eyebrow hair. And also the cap is like a spoolie, so you can see why I like it. So once I'm done lining my eyebrows, I'm taking the spoolie and spreading out the product so that if there are any kind of sparse areas, it will be filled. Next, for eyeshadow, I'm using this fantasy palette from Sugar. I'm using the color Mauve to put it on my crease as well as my outer V. I'm using a PAC brush to blend it out. Now I went in with the shadow 2-3 times to get the kind of intensity that I wanted, and I'm focusing more on the outer V to sort of darken it or deepen it up, and also on the crease. I'm using the same shade on my lower lash line as well, but with a different brush. Next, I'm going to use this burgundy shade to deepen up my outer V as well as the crease area. And once I placed the product, I also blended it in, and then I went in with a clean brush to sort of mix it with the previous layer of mauve shade that I had put. Next, I'm going to take this foil-like shade and I'm placing it on the center on my eyelids and just spreading it out. To highlight my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes, I'm using this highlighter from Wet n Wild. I'm going to be using this later on my cheeks as well. I really like doing this step because it adds a pop to the eye look. For liner, I'm using this Bold Felt Tip Liner from Swiss Beauty. This one is really pigmented and the tip is really narrow, so it helps in drawing a precise liner. I'm going to adjust this liner later once I've put on the false lashes, but for now this is going to stay like this. But before I go in with the false eyelashes, I am going to go in with some mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This one really gives a lot of volume to your lashes, and it's really enough on its own, but I wanted to add some glam to the look, so I went in with falsies as well. And you can see once I add my false eyelashes, the makeup look goes up by a level. and I love that. To contour my face, I'm using this bronzer from Sugar Cosmetics. This is the taupe topper, and I'm contouring the usual areas, my forehead, the cheekbones. Also, I like to contour under my jawline as well as under my chin. I'm also taking a smaller brush and contouring the nose area. I don't do it on a daily basis, but since it's a festive look, I did that anyway. For blush, I'm using this Maybelline Color Show blush. It's a really nice, pretty pink peach color and also really affordable. It gives a natural flush to the skin. Next, for highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter that I used on my brow bone and inner corners as well. And I'm putting it on the usual areas, my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, cupid's bow, chin, etc. And for makeup fixture, I'm using this Natural Finish setting spray from Wet n Wild. This really gives a natural glow to the skin. For my lips today, I wanted to create an ombre look. So first I went in with a plum shade lip liner. This is a gel lip liner from Wet n Wild. And I lined my lips and then used my fingers to sort of smudge it inwards and create that ombre effect. For the center, I went in with a light pinkish nude shade from Sugar Cosmetics. This one is called the Rosalind. And I smudged it with the liner to get the ombre effect. I'm done with my makeup. I'm just gonna go and change into some festive wear and I'll be back with the final look.